This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Permitted to mention West Bengal Central School Service Commission published a notification on 30th May 2025 in partial of Supreme Court order. Complete violation of Supreme Court order they published the notification. Immediately the next working days are May manner the vacation may granted leave manner. It was on 5th May this month not that manner. The online application is start from 16th.
Why?
Because of that manner, I challenge the notification as well as good because it's a complete violation of
Let the process go on. If ultimately we find that there is a difficulty,
then will include in the list. Otherwise, it
in the next month it is under the heading. Yes.
And another matter is primary matter. That is the NIS DLS matter. They all the petitioners they are DLS from the NIS. Yes, online application start from today. This goes up to 18 months. Their name is not featured.
DLA for
they are DLA candidates from the NIS. Their name ought to feature in the list, but their name
for what?
For documentation.
In relation, in connection with which selection?
2022 selection process. The notification issued on 30.
What is the stage of that selection process?
Document verification.
So their names
not featured in the published the West Bengal Board of Primary Education published this list manner, but the petitioner's name not featured in the list. They ought to feature in the list.
So is it your grievance that they are not being treated as trained candidates?
No, we don't know. Because of that, one of the Supreme Court passed two orders. One is that before this Kaushik Das order, Supreme Court says that whosoever DLA from the NIS, they are entitled to participate in the selection process for commissioner post or for new selection. They misconstrue the Jaiveer Singh judgment. And the West Bengal Board of Primary Education not give a chance a single candidate. Thereafter, some of the candidates went up to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court passed the order that yes, NIS DLA, they are the fittest candidate for the selection process. But subsequently, the Supreme Court passed an order, the appellant is allowed. They only allowed those appellants who are before the Supreme Court, not the other candidates who are before the High Court.
So, what is the last date of
18th?
How many candidates?
60 to 70 candidates.
60 to 70?
Yes, 8 petitions are there. 60 to 70 candidates.
I have a similar case. There are around 200 candidates. What happened in 2017-19? NIS DLA degree is by order of the Supreme Court. It is valid. NCD published a notification directing all the states to consider the same. Subsequently, Honorable Supreme Court clarified its judgment, stating that degree is valid. The board, by misinterpreting judgment passed by Honorable Supreme Court in one matter, did not consider this petition. There is more than 2,200 vacancies. 1,200 has been called. Other vacant posts are there. Petitioner will be sufferer if the judgment is misinterpreted. 18th is the last day.
Can you give any I have 60 to 70 candidates in 8 petitions.
I have one.
In 8 petitions, I have 60 to 70 and give to one matter because of that matter. They are also candidate or entitled candidate because they misconstrue it completely.
And they are crossing their age. If they do not get chance in this election process, next time they will not be able to
30, 40, 50, any day. Any day. Before 18, any day. It will take not more than 5 minutes. I believe.
And judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court is clear. Notification of the NCT is clear.
12. No. What is the application?
Upon notice, I am mentioning one. Again, I.
But may I be permitted to mention, my lord?
No further.
But I want to leave, my lord. In the same matter, NIS DLA, nothing else.
File it.
I will give the number.
Lord, may I be permitted to mention, my lord?